Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Flagstar app. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this simple method. So download and install, I will just open here in the Google search bar. If you are iOS user, you can directly open your Google Play Store as well. And if you are Android, you can directly search on search bar also and in the Play Store as well. So here I will just use search bar, and at here you have to search for the Flagstar. Okay, directly search for Flagstar app. Okay, so here we can see Flagstar mobile app. So you have to click on here, then you have to click on the install button, and it will be automatically download and install the app in your phone. So by this way you can download and install the Flagstar app. And if you want to give the rating, you can also give from here, and if you want to app support, you can directly click from here. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.